Looking for the fuse box in your Citroën C8, 2009 to 2014? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Dashboard fuse box. The dashboard fuse box in a 2009 to 2014 Citroën C8 manages fuses for the interior electrical systems such as lighting, infotainment, and climate control. It protects these circuits from overloads and short circuits. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in a Citroën C8, 2009 to 2014, contains fuses and relays for essential engine and powertrain systems. It protects circuits like the ECU, fuel system, and cooling fans from overloads and short circuits. Fuses on the battery. The fuses on the battery of a 2009 to 2014 Citroën C8 protect high-current circuits directly connected to the battery, such as the starter, alternator, and main power distribution. They prevent damage from overloads or short circuits. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.